creator has. A channel that grows itself, earning money while you sleep. I've seen it happen. I once worked with a channel in the finance niche. They weren't famous influencers. They were a small team with a system. They focused on a specific topic, retirement planning for a niche demographic. They created a repeatable video format. Within 6 months, they went from posting once a week to 3 times a day. One of their videos, a simple explainer on a new tax law, wasn't viral. It was clear and well-researched, and hit the right audience at the right time. That video has crossed 2.3 million views and earns about $7,500 a month in ad revenue. This wasn't luck, it was a deliberate, structured process. YouTube automation. This isn't about getting rich overnight. The team put in significant upfront work to build their system. They tested dozens of script formats. They auditioned multiple voiceover artists. They curated a library of approved stock footage. They treated their channel as a media business. Automation wasn't a magic button. It was a well-oiled machine. Research scripting, voiceover editing, publishing. The passive income is the reward for that strategic work. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Let's demystify the term. It's not about software that magically creates and uploads videos for you. Instead, it's a business model for content creation. The owner acts like a producer or director. You build a system. It often involves a team of freelancers and standardized tools to handle stages of production. Think of it like a movie studio head. The studio head doesn't write the script. They don't direct the scenes. They don't edit the final cut. But they oversee the whole process and make strategic decisions. This model is usually used for faceless channels. These channels focus on informational or evergreen niches. History, psychology, finance technology, top 10 listicles. Content is assembled from stock footage, motion graphics, screen recordings, and voiceover narration. No on-camera talent is required. Components are created by different people in different locations. Building a successful automation channel is like building a car on an assembly line. You need specialized tools and a coordinated team for each stage of production. The entire workflow can be broken down into a series of repeatable steps. The first step is always ideation and research. TubeBuddy VidIQ. Google Trends identify high-demand, low-competition keywords and topics. You're not guessing. You are using data to find proven subjects. Organize ideas into a content calendar and backlog of titles. Next station, scriptwriting. Upwork Fiverr. Provide a detailed template that outlines the desired structure. A strong hook in the first 15 seconds, a clear body with 3 to 5 main points, and a concluding call to action. JasperCopy.ai refine AI drafts with a human editor. The script is the blueprint, critical for quality. Move to voiceover and asset collection simultaneously. A human voiceover artist records the script. Murph.ai play.ht. While VO records gather visual assets. Story blocks. Envato elements ensure media is properly licensed to avoid copyright strikes. The most significant benefit of YouTube automation is, without question, the potential for massive scale. By systemizing production, you can multiply your content output far beyond what a single person could ever achieve. More videos mean more data points. You can quickly test different topics, formats, and thumbnail styles to see what resonates with your target audience. If a particular video style performs well, you can immediately instruct your team to produce more of it. This accelerated feedback loop allows you to refine your content strategy much faster than a solo creator, leading to quicker channel growth and monetization. For example, a channel that posts daily has 30 chances a month to capture a new trend or rank in search, compared to a weekly channel's 4 chances. Another compelling promise is the potential for passive income and geographic freedom. Once your system is running smoothly and you have a reliable team in place, your direct time involvement can decrease significantly. Your role shifts from being a doer to a manager. And you can oversee operations from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, approving scripts and reviewing final videos on your own schedule. This frees you from the daily grind of filming and editing, allowing you to focus on long-term growth strategies or even start building a second or third automated channel. This is the ultimate dream of automation, a content business that generates revenue without demanding your constant hands-on presence. However, this path is fraught with risks, and the biggest one is a decline in quality. As you push for higher output, it becomes easy to let standards slip. A rushed script might contain factual errors, a cheap voiceover can sound robotic and unengaging, and overused stock footage can make your videos feel generic and soulless. The YouTube algorithm is designed to promote content that holds viewer attention, and low-quality impersonal videos lead to low watch time. Viewers can sense when a channel is a content farm, and they will quickly lose trust and stop watching. This can lead to a vicious cycle where your channel's metrics decline, YouTube promotes your videos less, and your growth flatlines or even reverses. So, is YouTube automation a legitimate path to passive growth? The answer is a qualified yes. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a magical money printer. It is a business model that requires significant upfront investment in time strategy and often capital to build a robust system. The term passive is misleading. Successful channel owners are actively managing their teams, analyzing data, and refining their strategy. The income becomes passive only after the active, intelligent work of building a high-quality, efficient content machine has been done. The system works, but only if you work to build the system correctly. YouTube automation can be an incredibly powerful growth lever when executed with a focus on quality and value, not just quantity. The channels that succeed are not those that try to trick the algorithm with low-effort content, but those that use automation to efficiently produce high-value content at scale. They use systems to free up human creativity for what matters most. Understanding the audience, finding unique topic angles, ensuring every single video provides a satisfying experience for the viewer. The machine handles the repetitive tasks, but a human heart and mind must always remain at the core of the content strategy. Don't try to build the whole assembly line at once. You don't need to hire a full team from day one. Start by creating a few videos entirely by yourself to understand every step of the process.